Now available McCarthy cars, 2012 Jeep Compass in metallic red. It's got a xenon headlights, fog lights, 18-inch Jeep alloy wheels. It's got the luggage cover. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got electric windows on the back, full black leather interior with 5 headrests. Electric windows on the front and also electric and folding mirrors. Electric driver's seat. Only 22,000 miles on the clock. Electric multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth and cruise control. It's got a radio and CD player, and also aux in. It's got the air conditioning, climate control, heated front seats, six-speed manual transmission, and for your safety, airbags on the front and also on the back. To book a test drive and get more information about this car, please give us a call.